just bit my lip in the same spot twice.
What?
I bit my lip in the same spot twice. Hurt real bad. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're wondering why I look like a mess, it's because it's about time for my shower. So I thought today would be the perfect time to talk about one of my favorite DIY shave products. Yeah. This is super inexpensive to make and it works so good. The first thing you're going to want to have is some sort of container. I like to have the ones with these on it because I feel like it seals better. I don't know. You want it to be clean, free of any bacteria. Next, coconut oil. I usually use unrefined virgin coconut oil, and it's organic. I honestly use this to take my makeup off. I recently saw like a big thing on Twitter. They're like, don't use it, it's terrible for your skin, whatever. I've been using it for a very long time and I've never noticed that my face breaks out anymore. And my pores have always been pretty humongous.
Humongous what?
Humongous.
Humongous what?
That's what it is.
Humongous what?
So I haven't noticed that really change. I would imagine if you if you used it and then didn't wash your face afterwards, it would probably break out your face, but I take off my makeup with it and then I wash my face like pretty soon after. So, but that is the only reason I use coconut oil is for makeup remover. So you can pretty much pick it up anywhere. This is from Walmart. Alright, so you're going to scoop out whatever amount you would like. I love being a cooking channel. Ah, shit.
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
Oh no! Dog hair. That was so much too. It was like a week's worth of makeup remover. Oh yeah, and if you couldn't guess, you also need a spoon or any clean instrument for storage. You could probably use regular sugar for this, but I don't use brown sugar very often, so I'm using brown sugar. And I like the way it smells, so. Don't go everywhere, don't go everywhere. I want to pour as much in that you need for your consistency that you like. And then this part I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory. You eat it! Just kidding. I mean, it is technically edible, but I would not suggest it. So I did find this recipe a long time ago on Pinterest. I think it was like called the Smoothest DIY shave cream or something. So basically it's like a scrub. Well, it is a scrub. It's like an exfoliant, and then the coconut oil product makes it smoothing. The scrubbing away of your dead skin cells make it smoothing, and then the coconut oil like nourishes it. Honestly, I think this consistency is right on the money. Porridge. What if it actually fell? It might. Oh, there it goes. I have to come back down here tonight and I have to definitely clean up my makeup station because it is way too heavy. I gotta somehow zoom into my leg. I gotta show my hairy legs before I shave them. So my razor is from Dollar Shave Club. The razor's from Dollar Shave Club, not sponsored, but you know, if you want to hook a girl up, I'm not gonna turn it down. I will say that it is really nifty though. You get like a whole bunch of stuff for $5 for your first box, and then if you don't cancel, they keep sending you razors every month. It's like $9, but you get 4 very nice quality razors, which is crazy because I'm used to spending like 20 for 4 razors at Walmart. So there you have it. If you want to try it out, let me know in the comments below and let me know how it works for you. I'm sure if you wanted to make it a little bit more bougie, you could add like crushed rose petals or maybe some essential oils to make it smell. I mean, it doesn't smell bad, but the brown sugar is not super overwhelming, so it just kind of has like a smell, but you will feel as smooth as a baby's bottom, which is really weird. Like, where did that expression come from and why? Anyways, make sure you smash that like button if you did enjoy. Click subscribe if you haven't already because it's free. Why not? And it lets me know you like what I'm doing. I don't know. I can't make that a song. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and as always, bye.